Seeing organization only as boxes on a chart is incomplete. It is truly a playground where strategic moves are made. In chess, a wrong move ends the game. In business, a wrong structure risks the future. The right moves open new paths, just like planning your day at home makes everything easier. Place Lego pieces correctly and you build a strong structure. Place them wrong and the tower collapses. Organization is the playground where the right moves shape the future. Task relationships are about processes aligning. If assembly and packaging are not synchronized, production halts and the chain breaks. Task-person relationships mean assigning the right job to the right person. When a surgeon performs surgery, the outcome is safe, but if given to the wrong person, the risk grows. Person-person relationships nurture team spirit. If the goalkeeper and defense are not in sync, conceding a goal is inevitable. When these three bonds break, the organization collapses, like a meeting where no one shares the Zoom link and everyone stares at a blank screen. Order is preserved through small but critical shared responsibilities. When tasks are clearly defined, everyone knows what to do. On a film set, the director describes the scene and the actors synchronize. When the right people are placed in the right roles, efficiency rises. The chef cooks, the waiter serves, but misassigned roles turn into comedy. When relationships are structured, chaos transforms into trust. An orchestra playing in harmony creates magic, while one wrong entry confuses the entire hall. Organization becomes a building block as simple yet critical as sharing household chores. To organize is to align tasks vertically, horizontally, and across space, forming the skeleton of the enterprise. Coordinating offices in different cities under one purpose shows this clearly. At home, rooms serve different functions but unite under one roof, creating wholeness. On the soccer field, players in different positions share the same goal. Misalignment breaks the team. In software, modules must integrate correctly or the system fails. The skeleton of organization is strengthened only when all parts fit together. Some structures decide quickly, others rely on controlled processes for safety. Purpose sets direction. Each morning, everyone knows where they are heading, and the day flows. Division of work brings expertise. One prepares breakfast, another takes the children to school, another finishes preparations. Rules create consistency. If wake-up time is fixed, the bus is not missed. Communication keeps information flowing. If no one messages in the family group, the meeting falls apart. These elements give identity to every structure, from the speed of a startup to the discipline of a bank. Holacracy overturns hierarchy, reducing the power of titles and elevating knowledge. What matters is not who is the manager, but who brings the right solution. This accelerates ideas, just like in a group project where the most creative idea wins. The Peter Principle warns of promotion risks. Someone excellent in one role may fail in a higher one. A wrong promotion is like choosing the wrong captain. The team loses rhythm. Organization is the DNA of a company. It gives identity and defines long-term success. Just as DNA shapes a living being, organization shapes the enterprise. Like bricks in a building, every task and relationship is part of the structure. Placed incorrectly, the building cannot stand. Clear roles build trust. Strong communication strengthens bonds. Organization is the invisible skeleton where identity and trust unite, ensuring peace both at work and at home. Today, we saw organization not just as a chart, but as a strategic playground. Arranging tasks, placing people in the right roles, and building relationships form the foundation of success. The elements of structure, from flexibility to rules, shape the identity of the enterprise. Holacracy offers freedom and innovation, while the Peter Principle warns of promotion risks. Organization's DNA defines long-term achievement, combining identity and trust. In daily life too, when family roles are clear, harmony grows. When friends communicate well, bonds strengthen. Organization is the compass balancing both business and life. Subscribe to follow the rest of the series and join us on this learning journey.